Hi Kickstarter, we have a demo of MAID, and I hope by the end of this you will also fall in love with MAID.
Let's cook spice rub chicken today. Here are the ingredients.
Okay, I have the ingredients here: garlic paste, pepper, paprika, cumin, cinnamon. Let's start.
Preheating oven.
Okay,
In a small bowl, combine sugar and remaining seasonings.
so that's done. Let's go to the next step now.
Brush chicken all over with oil. Sprinkle spice mixture and rub in with fingers. There is a video for the preparation. Do you want me to play it?
Yes.
In a roasting pan, place the onions in an even layer. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon salt.
Now that looks good. Next step now.
Place chicken, breast side up, on onions and pan. I can show you an image if you want.
Okay.
Tie legs with kitchen string. Place it in the oven.
Done.
MAID will now begin roasting. Spice rub chicken is ready. Enjoy.
Wow, this is cool. The chicken looks perfect. MAID has done a wonderful job. Hope you had a good time watching the video.